This is the Gold Bar Waterfall GoPro. So.
I put a cable on here too right now.
Let's go get some scenery. Look at that moon. Moon on the mountains. You local out here?
No.
No?
City.
Where from?
Kansas City.
Oh, okay.
Passenger. Passenger. Hard. Passenger. Big passenger. You're on your own now. You're up. Okay, stop. Coming out from underneath it. Do not roll back. You guys got winches?
We do.
Okay, there's a hook up here. What's the best place to be? Just take the winch. Yeah. I'll hand it to you here in a second. Come on. Yeah, bring it on up until you see it do a nose fire. Come on up. We covered all the way to the end. Okay, listen to me. You want gloves, by the way? I got them. Okay, it's already clutched, so you ought to be able to just pull it right out. Okay. All right. Right there. Bump it out. Oh, I'm sorry. Is that the right way? Okay. You just need to loosen up. Okay, you're good. Yeah, they saw it.
Bill, you don't have it set to overlap, do you?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I hope not.
You have to go in and manually set that so it's not default.
To turn it all the way around.
So default does not do that.
Bump it in.
So if you've never changed it, you should be good.
Make sure he helps. Okay, go ahead and put a little pressure on your front. All right, now you can help yourself out. Yeah, no way. Okay, you're going to take your roll in.
I'm glad we caught up to y'all to see it.
Okay.
Because we might not have seen that winch point up there. You know. So now we know that it's there.
Dave?
Thank you. I'm about to say, if y'all want to see us,
Yeah, I would.
I'm not even gonna attempt. This looks mean.
You want it on a clevis? Yeah, that'd be fine.
Like we went up some mean stuff, but this is mean.
Go ahead.
I actually think this is the meanest thing I've seen us do, though.
What you grab my camera, it's in the floorboard of the passenger side. Flip it to auto. You should be able to take some pictures. The only thing is each picture, you need to hold that thing steady because the shutter speed's going to be a little slow. Any movement's going to blur the shot. Okay? Well, you can get some good shots.
Bill,
Yes.
are you good here on your own to undo the winch for them and all that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to keep filming because it's entertaining.
Yes, it is entertaining.
Well, and night shots are pretty cool.
And who's this for? Is this for our Tacoma World buddies?
Yeah,
What's up, guys?
just to show them where we're at. Yeah, I'm on GoPro, so
Is the lighting even as dark as this? Is it?
I don't have a clue. It's GoPro.
Well, I'm either dark or I'm white. One of the two.
Yep. You're the whitest white man I've ever met, so I'd say you're light.
Why? Thank you.
But no, GoPro's pretty much, they're pretty dang good at taking what your eyes see.
Oh yeah.
So cameras usually do the adjustment, but a video camera is
Yeah, video is different from film.
right.
Always has been.
Right over here's a pretty good shot. You want to hop in this rock with me?
Yeah, I'll let's rock with you. It's got
We could be rock buddies.
I don't know, Dave has a fascination with rock.
Damn it, the headlights, man. He's gonna blind Bill. I'll have to figure out one day when I'm home how to put music to my YouTube videos and not my commentary.
It's pretty easy.
Is it?
Don't get bumper on that.
Oh, yeah.
Hit bumper first.
Yeah, you're gonna nail it.
Right there. We're gonna at least have to stack a couple of rocks, I think. Either that or go up that thing. I don't think you want to do that.
He's gonna do it.
Whoa, not that way. Not that way, Dave. That's big rock.
Big rock.
The rock's big enough, you're probably gonna take your entire driver's side tire off the ground.
No, it'd stick that one in the ground. It'd stuff it. It'd lift the right rear.
Really?
Yep.
I think it's actually steeper over here.
Yep, you're correct.
It's actually sheer over
Put
here.
it this way.
It's 90 degrees.
Come on. Right. Damn, we're so close.
And bumper.
Right bumper right there, and you still got a foot to the tire.
You're not sliding it. Tacoma props.
Tacomas are nice, but there are some things having a shorter wheelbase is good for.
Yeah. Yeah, that front end's got a little
Mm-hmm.
clearance issue.
Did you see his previous truck?
Mm-mm.
The Truggy?
The black one?
The one that had a roll cage and everything?
I did not, no.
Oh, man.
I've seen pictures of his black one.
The shiny black one?
I think so. Same body style as this truck.
Yeah. He had a Truggy, which was,
My concern is
he had it up
this
on
rock, I
like
think you're gonna teeter over way too
35 or
far.
40s.
Yeah.
And he had
Takes it out of both of them.
long travel suspension in the back
Came in this
because it
way.
came up through the bed.
Rocks right here, I should be
And
able to
he
get
had
up.
removed the bed and replaced it with a roll cage that has tire. And literally, he could drive up to a 90-degree angle and his tires would touch the wall, and he could pop the front up the wall because the tires were touching the wall.
All right, straighten
It was
out.
nice.
That's how side-by-sides act.
Mhm.
The